Alam mo, I guess more than success, maybe start thinking about significance. Oo, alam ko, gusto natin kumita ng pera, gusto natin dumami yung mga kayamanan natin. Pero ang formula kasi ng pera, hindi naman yung tungkol sa kikita ka lang, tapos i-imaginein mo, magkakaroon ka na ng tinatawag na income. Kaya tayo paminsan nahihirapan kumita ng pera kasi ganun yung mindset lang natin. Hustle, hard work, isang kahig, isang tuka. Suggestion ko, maybe think about significance, think about legacy. Ano yung significance or legacy? Ito yung, ano yung value na pwede mong maibigay sa kung nasan ka man, anong syudad mo. Ano yung legacy na pwede mong mai-offer that can outlast you because, you know, it's part of your life purpose. Kasi kapag yan ang finocus mo, yung value, yung significance, at yung legacy, I will guarantee you one thing. Before you know it, people will start to notice. And because people will start to notice, people will start to work with you. At kapag magaling ka, then kikita ka ng pera effortlessly. Yan ang mas madaling paraan kumita ng pera nang hindi ka masyadong nasistress because you're focused on the mission, not just the profit.